Are you tired of being so fucking slow on DaVinci Resolve? No more keyframes, no more text animations, no more visits to the Vision tab. With this preset, just drag and drop into the timeline and the job is done. Today I'm presenting you my preset of prime text animations. It contains over 25 animations just ready to drag and drop into the timeline. It's only $8. Have the link to download it down below in the description. And enjoy the sauce. So okay guys, once you buy the preset, you will have this little file, okay, viral text by hamo.studio. You just need to double click on them and it will automatically install on DaVinci Resolve. As you can see, you need to choose to install and the job is done. Okay, so let me show you what this preset contains. You're gonna go to the FX tab, okay, right here, and you're gonna look it for viral text hamo.studio, okay, and there you have it, all the text animations. Okay, so there are over 25. Take your time to review all of them and I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, you're gonna choose some and that's it, the animation is done. And you can of course modify all of them. For example, I'm gonna put here hamo.studio. You can modify the globe, okay, font, the style, of course the color, size, tracking, and line spacing in case you have shoot text here. Okay, so that's pretty much it guys. I'm gonna show you my fade trees that are a smooth line up, a smooth wrap, and the classic blue wrap side. Okay, and I used it in the intro of the video. As you can see, they are pretty cool, pretty amazing, pretty useful. That's it guys, it's only $8, so you can buy it in the link down below in the description. So, and of course I'm giving you a little gift, a little preview of the preset, okay, 3 of them that you are seeing on the screen right now, so you can see the pack and you can make up your decision if you wanna to buy it or not. Okay guys, of course it will support a lot the channel if you buy it. And that's it guys, hope you like it. Stay tuned at the channel, get notified, get subscribed, and leave your like if you like it. Okay guys, so nothing more to say. Hope you're having a good day and see you around.